Life isn't easy. No matter who you are or where you come from, life will test you. Some days the weight of it all feels unbearable. Bills pile up, friendships break, dreams feel distant. Your mind spins, wondering how you got here and how you'll ever get out. But you are not alone. Even in your darkest hour, God is still with you. You may not see it, you may not feel it, but He's there. He always has been. Struggles are part of the journey. God never promised a life without pain, but He did promise to walk with us through it. When you pass through the waters, I will be with you, and when you pass through the rivers, they will not sweep over you. Isaiah 43:2. The storm may come, but it won't drown you. The fire may burn around you, but it won't consume you, because the Lord is standing beside you. He is your strength when you feel weak, your guide when the path disappears, your hope when tomorrow feels uncertain. Sometimes the hardest part is the silence. Those moments when you pray but hear no answer, when you cry out and the heavens feel quiet, when your faith is barely holding on and you wonder, God, are you even there? But God often works in the silence, in the waiting, in the breaking. That's when you learn to trust Him, not just with your blessings but with your brokenness. That's where real faith begins. Faith that's not based on what you see. Faith that says, even if I don't understand, I still believe you are good. God isn't ignoring your pain. He's shaping your story. He's using every tear, trial, and disappointment for something greater. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him. Romans 8:28. Not some things, all things. Even the heartbreak, the rejection, the failure. He's not wasting any of it. He's refining you, building strength, deepening your faith, preparing you for more than you could imagine. Maybe right now you're fighting battles no one sees. Maybe you're smiling on the outside but breaking inside. Maybe you're tired of pretending to be strong. You don't have to carry it alone. You were never meant to. Jesus said, "Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." Matthew 11:28. He knows you're tired. He sees the weight you've been carrying, so lay it down. Your fear, your doubt, your shame. He's strong enough to carry it, and gentle enough to hold you through it. I don't know exactly what you're facing, but I know this. God sees you. He hears you. He has not forgotten you. You are not abandoned. You are not invisible. You are His. And in God's hands, nothing is wasted. Not your tears, not your pain, not your waiting. He's weaving it all together, even now. You may not see the full picture yet, but He's still painting. You are stronger than you think, not by your own power, but because of the God who lives in you, the same God who calmed storms, who parted seas, who raised the dead. That same God is fighting for you, so don't give up. Don't let today's weight erase tomorrow's promise. This season may be painful, but it's not permanent. Better days are ahead, more peace, more healing, more purpose. One day you'll look back and realize the struggle didn't break you, it built you. So hold your head high. Not because life is easy, but because the one who conquered the world walks with you. In this world you will have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world. John 16:33. And because He overcame, so will you. Keep going. You're not alone. You never were. And with God by your side, you will rise again.